8th grade. It is Tuesday, May 5th, right? And we are working on FOIL today. It's another method of solving problems where you have a binomial times a binomial. Last week we worked on the box method for quite a few days. You watched a video on FOIL on, I think it was Thursday. So now we're going to have some practice with these problems. All right, watch how I solve these because they are very similar to the problems that you're going to have to do for your assignment today. Right? So FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Okay, once you kind of get the pattern of these problems, all right, they're kind of repetitive. Okay, so first means, all right, I'm going to take the first term of this binomial times the first term of the second binomial. All right, so I'm going to do x times x, which would be x squared. Okay, then I'm going to take the first term times the outer term. X times 3 is 3x. Okay, the coefficient always goes in front of the variable. Okay, now we're on inner terms. Inner means these two, all right, that are in the middle. So I'm going to do 2 times x, which is 2x, and then last 2 times the last term, which is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now you will get used to this pattern. The two terms in the middle are like terms that you need to combine. So I bring down my x squared. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then bring down my plus 6. Okay, this is my final answer. X squared plus 5x plus 6. If you did it in the box method, you would get the same answer. Okay, let's try this one. First is x times x, which is x squared. Outer, x times 2 is 2x. Okay. Inner, 4 times x is 4x. And then last, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so I did FOIL. Now I need to combine my middle terms, my common terms. All right, so this will be x squared. 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 8. Okay, there's my final answer. Okay, let's do some that have a negative sign in here. All right, same process. First, x times x, x squared. Outer, okay, this is x times a negative 2. All right, it's not subtracting 2. We're going to think of it as a negative 2. So that would be a negative 2x. Inner, 4 times x plus 4x. Last, 4 times a negative 2 is a negative 8. I want to combine my like terms. I would get x squared. A negative 2 and a positive 4 would leave me with a positive 2x and bring down my constant of a negative 8. Here's another one with a negative, but the negative's in the first binomial. So first, x times x, x squared. Outer, x times 5 plus 5x. Inner, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Okay, last, negative 3 times 5 is a negative 15. Okay, Once again, combine my like terms. I would get x squared. 5x and a negative 3x would give me a positive 2x. And then bring down my constant of a negative 15. Now let's look at these. These have two negatives in the binomials. Do the same thing. First, x times x, x squared. Outer, x times negative 4, negative 4x. Inner, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. And then last, negative 3 times negative 4 would give you a positive 12. Combine like terms, we end up with x squared. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is a negative 7x. And bring down your constant of plus 12. Okay, one more with the double negatives. X times x, x squared. X times a negative 2, negative 2x. Inner, negative 6 times x, negative 6x. Negative 6 times a negative 2 is a positive 12. Let's combine. We get x squared. Negative 2x, negative 6x is a negative 8x plus 12. Okay, two more for practice. All right, this is x plus 2 times x plus 2, all right, which would be the same as x plus 2 squared. Right? We do first x times x, x squared. Outer, x times 2 plus 2x. Inner, 2 times x plus 2x. And last, 2 times 2 plus 4. Combine like terms, x squared plus 4x plus 4. It's your final answer. Okay, last one. X times x, x squared. X times 3 plus 3x. 3 times x plus 3x. And then 3 times 3 plus 9. Combine like terms, we get x squared plus 6x plus 9 is your final answer. Right. So 8th grade, your assignment today, you're going to click on the image that's posted on Classroom. There are 10 problems just like these that you need to do. You are going to solve them on a separate sheet of paper. All right, I need to see your work. All right, your final answer needs to be circled. All right, and you will take a picture of your work and then send it to me. You can send it through Classroom or you can send it to my email. All right, just make sure your picture is clear so that I can see your answers. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow.